In this video, I'll show you how to get more storage on your phone and improve its performance if it's running slow. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's get started. First, try to keep at least 25 gigabytes of internal storage free. When your phone's storage is almost full, it can become slow, apps may take longer to open, and updates may not install properly. Next, check if your phone has a software update available. Open Settings, go to Software Update or search for Update, then install the latest version if one is available. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. If your phone is still lagging after freeing up storage and updating, you may want to factory reset it. Before doing this, back up your important photos, videos, contacts, and other data, because a factory reset erases everything on the device. To reset your phone, open Settings, search for Factory Reset or Reset, then follow the on-screen instructions to erase and set up your phone again. After the reset, your phone should feel much smoother, especially if the lag was caused by software issues or too many accumulated files. And that's it. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy phone tips.